find it.
We're looking for ice cream, right?
Yeah.
Can you hold my bag, please?
What?
The camera.
Oh yeah, we're looking for ice cream.
We're looking for ice cream.
Are you adjusting yourself for the camera?
Yeah. Woo! And love from the city that never sleeps.
What is it? Trump. Are you? Yeah, the police arrested you.
We just walked for how many minutes? Half an hour.
No, 11 minutes. It was not half an hour.
It said 11 minutes, but it's because we're walking with people who walk so slow. It took us half an hour.
No.
How much?
11 minutes.
29.
11 minutes.
Okay. We just walked for a lot of minutes
11
just
minutes.
to find an ice cream shop.
And guess what the name
At
is?
midnight. At midnight.
Guess what the name is?
Yeah. We finally found it. Zodo Wabantu will definitely certainly love this shoe. And your phone, you don't like this anymore?
I'll have it.
When you are in the city that never sleeps, you are allowed to have ice cream at midnight. After show treats. After show treats. Ice cream at midnight.
Yeah?
Right, soft ice cream.
What are you having, Jack? What's your ice cream?
American globes.
American?
Globes.
Globes. I'm having a salty pimp.
What are you having?
I don't know.
He's having a chocolate and vanilla twist.
And what are you having?
Chocolate and vanilla twist dipped in chocolate.
It's very nice ice cream though. Very nice. I don't know if anything good can come out of this tube behind us.
Behind us.
We're just eating ice cream and they've decided to eat the ice cream with pizza. Who does that? Like, you could have started with a pizza, but nah, ice cream and then pizza.
Dessert, then the main course.
We don't have to do what everybody else is doing, so.
Don't wake us up when you start having stomach problems. Enjoy your pizza.
What's my regular pizza, right?
You finally got your Sprite.
You don't even have a Sprite?
And it's like after midnight, way after midnight.
Jack, wanna go, right? Yeah. I wanna see? Let's take that one. Let's go.
What are you having? Spinach pizza?
No, regular.
No pizza I shot in.
Spinach pizza.
Have you guys ever done any of these psychic readings in New York?
No, I've never.
We should try it. It's a shame they closed. They're closed. Look, it's a whole business. It's like such a small.
They even have an ATM machine if you
Yeah.
have money.
If you don't have money, there's an ATM machine.
It's a mess in the street. Look at this.
Only in New York do people walking their dogs after midnight. New York! What were you saying?
No español. No español.
How's the pizza, guys?
Muy bien.
Muy bien.
You enjoying it?
Cream.
No bien. But the pizza muy bien.
You know who should live in New York, Jack? Annalisa. Why? She's New Yorkie. She's very New Yorkie.
I don't think she's Paris.
No, she's not very Paris.